I am inside Claude chat and I open it a fresh new chat here. Watch this. This is the output you get when Claude does not know anything about you. Could be anyone, any business, any type. Let's now have the same message inside the project we created in our previous video. I'm going to project and here is the John Wright content agent and I'm gonna paste the same prompt here. I type it the exact same prompt and this time the result is exactly what I wanted. Same prompt, just 8 seconds. Last video I showed you how to build a Claude agent from scratch. System prompt, knowledge base, prompt template. Today I'm giving you all 5 prompts for content creator, freelancer, sales team, consultant, e-commerce. Copy paste ready, free plan works. Let's go. Quick context before we build. A system prompt is the brief Claude reads before every single conversation starts. It tells Claude who you are, what your business does, what tone to use, and what rules to follow. Without one, Claude treats every message like it came from a stranger. With one, Claude already knows your business before you say a word. Here are 5 types we are covering today. Content creator, freelancer, sales team, consultant, e-commerce. Each one has a different rule, different output format, different constraints. The structure is the same, the specific are completely different. Number 1, content creator. This one is for YouTuber, newsletter writer, podcaster, anyone building anything. I have created already here a content agent for content creator. On the right side on instruction, I already told Claude about the business, about the writing wise and client tone guide, and also about the output rule, specifically what should do, what not should do. So anytime when I ask Claude, Claude will follow exactly the instruction here on the right side. Let's test it. This is a result that I expected and it followed every rule from system prompt without me asking. Number 2 is freelancer and agency. This covers writers, designers, developers, creative studio, anyone with client. The thing that makes this prompt different is not the wise guide, it is the forbidden phrases section. I already created here a freelancer and agency agent to save your time. You can change the name to match your job title here. It can be videographer, photographer, or website development or product designing. So you need to change that title. And then on the right side, the instruction, this is a template you can download from bottom of this video, and you need to change what is highlighted here. Like for example, you are a business assistant for, so you can type your name, your service type, and your location, or you operating remotely. And then you're gonna give business overview, again your name here, and then the service type, what exactly you're doing, and what is your charge. You're charging your client per hour or per project, or you're doing retainer. Retainer means you're doing monthly or weekly work. And then here how many client currently you have and what's your target client type. So you need to describe here. The second one is client communication wise. You telling client you need to be professional and warm, mirror the client energy. And then the next one is project rules here. And the second last one is forbidden phrases. You're telling Claude never use such phrases. Like for example, hope this find you well. They are very outdated and very boring, so you're not gonna use. And last one is invoice. You tell client always confirm scope before sending an invoice. That's all what you needed as freelancer. Once you save this one, and then you can ask Claude to do the work. Like for example, here I'm typing one prompt. As you can see, the email, no panic, no over explaining, one clarifying question before agreeing to anything. This is how you handle scope. System prompt number 3 is sales team. Account executive, founders doing sales. This prompt cover all of it. I have created here a sales manager agent. On the right side, I added instruction for Claude. The key section here is the ICP block, your ideal customer profile, company size, decision maker titles, trigger events, common objection. This is the section that turns generic outreach into research lead outreach. Once you download it, make sure you replace with actual info here, otherwise Claude will act strange. Once you save this one, and then let's go test it this one with sample prompt. You can see the email not just checking in, references the demo, adds one piece of value, clear as the end. That's the flow app that gets opened. System prompt number 4. Number for consultant, advisor, coach. This one for independent consultants, executive coaches, fractional leader. The thing I want to show you here is the brand-wise section. I have created here a consultant and advisor agent. On the right side, I added the instruction where you can replace with actual information about yourself. If I scroll down here on the forbidden, here it says I am passionate about. This one line looks very simple, but it will kill credibility as advisor or consultant. And you telling Claude here, it never says such things. Okay, once we save this one, let's test it out. I'm gonna type a very simple prompt here. That's a post someone will share, not because it's polished, because it has a point of view. System prompt number 5. E-commerce, DTC brands, Shopify store, Amazon seller. I have created here an e-commerce support agent. On the right side, again, I added the instruction. You download all the prompt and just need to replace the information with actual information. This is all what you need. As you can see here, the refund request under certain amount, approved without commission, send with the goodwill notes. That single rule turns a 20-minute customer service back and forth into 30-second approver. Once you added this one, and then you can save, and let's test it with a simple prompt. This is the result because in our instruction we put all as a placeholder. That's why it's still added in our email placeholder. Once you replace with actual info, it will not write as a placeholder. As you can see, the email, no interrogation, no 5-step verification process, approve, warm, done. The link in the description has all 5 prompts. Download, replace the bracket with your detail, and that's it. All 5 system prompts are in the description. Direct download, free. Copy the one for your business type, replace the brackets, paste into a Claude project. You are done in under 10 minutes. And if this click it for you, subscribe. Next video, I'm showing you how to connect Claude to your actual tools, calendar, email, file, not just answering question, actually doing the work. See you there.